Alright, so the warm-up, we're going to cross out this one, make this number 3. So the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. In which kind of triangle are all three sides congruent? That's equilateral. And the number of lines of symmetry, since this is a 6-sided figure, it will have 6 lines of symmetry. 6.1 is polygons. The objective is to identify and classify polygons and to find the angle measures of quadrilaterals. Definitions. Polygon is a figure formed by 3 or more segments. Sides are the segments of the polygon. The vertex is the endpoint where the sides of the polygon intersect. And the diagonal, that's a new one for us. It's a segment that joins non-consecutive vertices. So like those would be diagonals. Those would be diagonals. And that would have this diagonal and that diagonal. In order to be a polygon, it must meet the following requirements. Must be straight. The sides must be straight, so no curves. Each side must intersect only with one other side at their vertex. Now I'm going to have you star these 3 things. Okay? There cannot be any gaps. So no gap, no overlap, and no curves. Is the figure a polygon? Number 1 is yes. Number 2 is a no, because there are curves on all those corners. Right there, right there, there. Number 3 is a no, because there is a gap. Number 4 is yes. Beyond this, you really don't need to know, okay? I'm going to tell you some other ones, but you do need to know these, okay? So, pentagon, to remember it's 5 sides. I mean, there's a building called the Pentagon and it has 5 sides. Hexagon, 6, has an X in it. That's how I remember hexagon. Heptagon has 7. Octagon has 8. Octopus has 8 legs. Okay, and then you can kind of do process of elimination for a heptagon. Okay, so the next ones. A nonagon has 9 sides. A decagon has 10. Okay, then this is just for me to tell you, share with you. A hendecagon has 11. A dodecagon has 12. And then from there it goes like 13 gone, 14 gone, 15 gone, 16 gone. Dead serious. Tell how many sides a polygon has and what type of polygon it is. So, in counting it, this is what I would do. Even if they're not, it's not equilateral, I would still mark it like with a hash so you know if you counted it or a dot. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this has 6 sides. Okay? Then, what type of polygon this is? What is it? 6 sides.
He got my binder.
A hexagon. State the 2 ways to name the polygon using its vertices. Okay, so how we're going to name this polygon?
Whoa.
And then name all the diagonals that have vertex C as an endpoint. Okay, so vertex C as an endpoint, the diagonals. Now, F is 1, FC. So FC. That's 1. You have 2 more. What would be another diagonal? AC. Then what's the last one? What's across from it?
B.
It has to include C.
A.
C E.
CE.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so BC is not a diagonal. Okay? That's not a diagonal. That's its side. Okay, we're looking for a diagonal. Okay, so it's across from it.
Yes.
Yes. How many sides does it have?
4.
1,
And it's
2,
not open.
3, 4. Good, Raven. So this is a what? What is it when it's 4 sides? Good, quadrilateral. That was good.
A quadrilateral.
Okay, number 9.
No.
Why?
Curve.
There are curves. Yes.
Yeah.
How many sides are there?
5.
Wait.
Pentagon.
So it has
So if
1,
you're pointing-
2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 sides. So what did you say? It's a pentagon. They're all polygons. So a polygon is at least 3 sides. Straight. Everything's straight. Okay, 11.
Yes.
And 6.
Actually, all things up.
I like your thought.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it's a no, but can someone tell me why it's a no?
Because they cross each other.
Yeah, there's an overlap. It
That's what
overlaps.
it's called.
If on an assignment you put like it crosses each other, I would take that as an answer. Yesterday, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle equals 180. Now the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360.
We don't. I'll just do it.
Yeah, we only got the review.
It's 360.
It's in the box.
Does it say it in the box?
Oh.
All right, so find the measure of angle A. What are we subtracting from?
180.
360.
360.
So 360 minus 80 minus 70 minus minus 100. So that would be 110,
No. Yeah.
I think. So that would be 260, 190, yeah, 110.
Find out A, but a right angle is.
Yep, so minus 90, minus 99, minus 92.
250. No. Yeah. 259.
What did I just do?
Where is that?
Should be less than 90.
What?
60.
79 maybe? I gave you guys calculators.
I said I was gonna take it for fun. I said I was gonna use it.
92.
And wait, okay, I'm gonna redo it then.
Oh my God.
79, I think.
Is that better?
I was gonna say.
Someone double check.
It's not simple.
It's not?
It's 79, yes it is.
Bit of these. So what do all of these angles add up to?
A right angle.
360. So 90 plus 70 plus 130 plus 7x equals what?
You have to do the thing with
360.
the little line and then-
We certainly do.
You obviously subtract everything.
Questions for me about how I set this up?
You add all the.
No,
I
but
just-
quick question. How do you know which one is 3? Okay, you have to I have to get this one. How do you know what's 360 and how do you know what's 90?
4 sides. and
Not-
4 sides.
What do you?
So
So if
four
it's 4
sides-
sides, it's 360.
And what if it's 5 sides? That's 90.
Then we haven't done that yet. That's our next thing
So
that
we're
we
only
learn.
doing 4 sides.
Yes, right now.
So 290 minus.
Okay, so first let's add up.
So what's that?
No, did you get 7?
Okay,
Plus-
90 plus 70 plus 130. Hey guys,
I mean, it's
what is this? 290. 290 plus 7x equals 360. Chris, what do I do next?
Yeah, right. Huh?
What do I do next?
You subtract 290.
Good. Subtract 290. So 7x equals 70. Divide both by 7. So x equals 10. One up. Someone set it up for me.
100
Okay.
plus 72.
Okay.
Plus 70.
Okay. Plus
Plus
x plus 10 equals.
360.
Good. Now, if it helps you, I would circle as you write it or cross it out. One or the other, because this gets really confusing and it's easy to forget one. Okay, so let's combine all the numbers first, the like terms. So 100 plus 72 plus 90 plus 10 plus 72, I think that's 272.
What's your what? The brain capacity.
Okay, so 100 plus 72 plus 90 plus 10.
272.
Yeah, 100 plus 90 is 190, plus 10 is 200, plus 72 is 272.
Good.
Okay, so minus 272 on both sides. Okay, so x equals 80, 88?